Charles, I was thinking we can go camping.
We don't have a camper, so it's kind of hard to go camping without a camper or...
I'm going to get some jewelry. I'm going to the mall.
The mall to get some jewelry, like always.
Ugh.
You knocked me off my couch. I'm so tired. I'm just gonna go to sleep.
Hi.
Whoa!
Girls,
Bought a
get
camper.
it. Yeah.
What? Let me go pack my stuff.
Me too.
I am so
I'm
excited.
going to my castle.
Woo!
Let's go.
I packed my things.
Well, guys, I'm gonna go up in the back and put my stuff up.
This beautiful diamond. But I just brought a bunch of jewels. Oh my gosh. I am so prepared.
Same shoesies.
Yeah. I just brought some actual practical things. Like so. Yeah. I actually got, my hat, some clothes in there, and then my flag. Woo! Go ever after high. Yeah. You're just like a drag to everything. All my stuff is beautiful.
I'm ready. I'm gonna do the honk. Actually,
I got my stuff. Let me put it in there.
whoa, we're gonna cry.
No, we're not. No. Oh my god, look at me. I'm at the top of the camper.
Here.
Yes, we're here. Finally. I couldn't stay. We gotta unpack. We're gonna watch some TV. Let's change this stupid channel. I hate Barbie. Let's watch Shopkins.
Okay, I'll place these. And you can place that, and I can place her.
Wait, no, we can't
We
get their
say their
stuff. We
names.
can't get their stuff.
You can't let no one see your hand. What's her name?
That's corny.
Corny.
Okay, cotton candy.
And now it's my turn. Select what?
Hang on, I'm going to tape some of the Shopkins to the screen just to make it look like they're watching it. You can count on me like... You know that song?
Huh?
You know that song?
Yeah.
Ooh, that piece is nasty. It's you can count on me like 1, 2, 3. I'll be there. 'Cause I know when I need you, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2. You'll be there.
Like we should all both say Shopkins.
'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do. Oh yeah. Ooh.
The Shopkins are lucky. Hey, you can actually see the outside.